Dr. Sharmila Tulpule. I am an orthopedic surgeon and a regenerative medicine specialist. Regenerative medicine or orthobiologics is the newest and the latest branch in orthopedics in which we use our body's own cells to heal arthritis or chronic conditions like back pain, knee pain, arthritis, rheumatism, all of that. Okay? So this is the latest, and the next 10 years you will be seeing revolution in the treatment of all this, and this will lead to avoiding major surgeries later on. I practice in Mumbai, so we have our centers in Mumbai and many other cities in Maharashtra. So we are coming here for the first time to Gandhinagar.
Madam, you gave a good lecture in stage. What it about that, madam?
Yeah, thank you.
Various treatments.
My lecture was about the use of fat in our body to make stem cells out of it or separate stem cells out of fat and then inject it in the joint to make the joint heal. Okay, so basically it is treatment of arthritis with fat, which is called adipose stem cells.
You said about the fatness also. You said about the fatness also.
Yeah, so we use fat, okay, for treating through the cells. So what we do is we remove little bit of fat from the tummy, we process them and we separate the regenerative cells in them and then inject it back into the joint who has arthritis. So if I have arthritis, I'll take my own fat, I will make cells out of it and then inject it back into my joint. So that is what this regenerative treatment is about.
What is the cost of the treatments?
We can actually use multiple things. So I spoke about fat today, but we can make the similar things out of blood also, okay, which are very simple things to be done. Cost is variable, depends on from patient to patient. The side effect of this drug, that doesn't happen with this because these are your own cells, they are unprocessed, they are simply separated and then injected in the body.
Concentrated and then given back to you.
Yeah,
So what do you have to say about the after 40 years people are getting a pains in the knees and all that?
Yeah, exactly. That is the reason why these therapies are very important for younger people. Now at 40, I don't expect people to do replacement surgeries. You have so much life remaining. Replacement surgery is not going to last for 40 years, you know. So these therapies will make your joint last longer. Natural joint last longer.
Madam, what to tell about the message for the patients, madam?
So I will always say that if you have been diagnosed with any joint problem or joint issue or arthritis and you are thinking of surgery, then please consult a regenerative medicine specialist to see whether these therapies work for you.
Before you go for
Before you
any
go for any
major
surgery,
surgery.
you should actually check whether these therapies work for you.